Hey people, I'm listening Leave by JoJo. I'm just in the lyrics like this morning, so don't judge me because I've listened to a song or two. I don't know yet. Okay? Wait, okay, so okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. I've been waiting all day for your face. The one to come instead and talk to me. And tell me how we're gonna be together always. I've been waiting late at night. I hold into my pillow tight. You think of how you promised me forever. And to just say, get out right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late. I can't wait for you to be gone. Ever, and I wonder about all the lies. Said that you would treat me right, but you were just a waste of time. Tell me why you're looking so confused. Well, I'm the one who didn't know the truth. How could you ever be so cruel? You come behind my back and call my friend. Boy, you must have gone from your head. You got your lucky number on your phone. Maybe I'm the one to blame, but what didn't work out that way? Get out right now. It's the end of you and me. It's too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. Cause I know about her, and I wonder how about all the lies. You said that you would treat me right, but you were just a waste of time. Would you ride here with me? I had no choice, you got to leave. Because my heart is breaking. But if you what I'm saying, gave up on everything I had. For something that just wouldn't last. I refuse to cry. The tears are fall from these. What was that note? Yeah, get out right now. It's the end of you and me. Too late, and I can't wait for you to be gone. No, forever, and I wonder how about all the lies that you say betrayed me right, but you were just a waste of time. How did you treat me this way? Yeah. You treat me right. And you saw my last video. You probably know why I sung that song. But of course, my friend said that I was mumbling and it was too soft, so I'm saying it slower. It is about this guy who I like and who said like me, and messed around with three of my friends, and then tried to kiss me. This guy's my ex-boyfriend. And he is going to die on Monday because I don't play like that. And you don't mess around with let it's one thing to be other girls, but my friends. Oh no, I don't play around with that. So you know what, I'm gonna go because I'm really mad. Bye. Comment, like, subscribe.